How to use QR code in Alight Motion. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn how we can use QR code in Alight Motion. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, open up Instagram, then we will save a QR for one of the Alight Motion presets. So tap on the search icon and in the search bar you have to search for Alight Motion presets. Head over to the first one and scroll through it and search for the effect or the presets that you want to use in Alight Motion. If you tap on any one of those at the end of the page, you will have this screen or this QR code. Now you have to screenshot this QR code. So once you screenshot this QR code, you could open up a QR code scanner in your device. If you don't have one, you could always use the Google. Open up Google. Once you're here, if you tap on the lens icon next to the Google, you could scan your QR code. Tap on the QR, and now once it scans, there you have a link. Tap on the link. That will take you to Alight Motion. If you are required to sign in, make sure that you're signed in into your account. Now it will ask you if you want to import the project. If yes, tap on import. Then you have to wait for a while until the presets gets imported in your Alight Motion. Now you could replace this with your media. So that's it. That's how you can use QR code in Alight Motion, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.